Morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi, this is your girl Tara Love Diva, and welcome to my channel and welcome to Friday's upload. Today's upload we are doing upcycling, and when I mean upcycling, I'm taking my Samsung tablet 10.1 cover and creating a planner with it. And it's going to be a brain dump planner. So that's what you see in the description box down below. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. And if you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate all the love that you all been sending me and my videos and all that great stuff. Do me a favor. While you're watching me, smile. Click that subscribe button right there's a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification right next to the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified each time I upload, which is Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. And on my other channel it's Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturday, I think. One of those three on the other channel. Anywho, we're doing upcycling, and here is the plan. I already started upcycling. I'm going to show you, I don't know where we get we from. I'm going to show you how I created this. I took this from a tablet holder to a planner cover. So here we go. This is a LV checkerboard dupe. Dupe meaning this is fake. I got the Samsung tablet cover from Amazon back in 2016, and I did not throw away. Thank God I did. I don't really throw away a lot of stuff that I know I'm going to use somewhere down the line. Anyway, this is it here. So I'm going to show you from the beginning. I had created, this is the back. This here is where the camera hole was, so I decided to put a little vintage button on it, just so I can close up the planner, because I will be using Happy Planner disc, and I think it's a little too big for it, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. So this is the outside. I don't know if I'm gonna put some decorative stuff out on the back, on the front of this. Let's go on the inside. Ta-da! It's velvet. I use a velvet adhesive cover. On this side I did a little pocket. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it's a little pocket that you stick. Let's find something this time. On the right side. Yep. So you can stick. Well, you get, oh, there we go. So you can stick the back of the planner cover on the inside of this. On this side, I don't know if I'm going to create wallet things or just leave it as is and just put decorative stuff on this side. So with that being said, I'm going to get into the video showing you how I created this planner. So I will list all of the items that I used down in the description box, which is not that much, because the button came from a friend of mine's son.